Hey Carol, are you ready to go in the gazebo after all that work we did?
Oh, it only took us 45 seconds.
Yeah.
All right. Welcome to the cabana.
Ah, thank you. Okay. We've got Coco in here and beautiful Peepa is in here. Got a few lights on. Now we're gonna put more lights in here, but this'll do for now. This is actually Carol's. This is Carol's. What do you call it? Your cabana?
It's the cabana.
Cabana.
It's that, yeah, it's a 6-foot traveler, CLAM traveler, and I find that when you're in such a small space, like a minivan, it's nice to have an outdoor living room area, and this one works just great.
Yeah.
Once we get it up.
We've been here for 2 weeks and we finally got it set up, and we happened to set it up on the windiest day since we've been here. But we did it. It was like wrestling with an octopus, but we got it up. We just got news that we're going to have a real storm tomorrow. 100% chance of rain, hefty winds. So we're probably going to have to take this right back down again. So I don't know if we'll film that, but we finally got it up and we've got to put it back down again. So we'll report on it later.
Can you give me a hand?
Sure.
I got the CLAM traveler here. We haven't put it up yet.
Oh, it's kind of intimidating.
Well, it's a 6x6 foot, and I think it can be really useful for us.
Okay, I've never done this before.
I've done it a couple of times, so they say it takes 45 seconds.
45 seconds?
That's what it says on the website.
Right.
So,
Okay.
and I've seen people time it, bit of a tutorial
Yeah.
for cross butterflies.
Or I love Lucy and what's her name? Ethel?
It's
like
Lucy
that.
and Ethel, that's right.
Okay.
So,
What do I do?
I'm going to pull it open there.
I always wondered if I could put one of these up by myself.
Well, they say, but I think it's so much fun. It's so much fun to play to help with Santa's help us.
Yeah.
Alright, so we get it out. It's already 45 seconds.
Yeah, that's already 45 seconds, right? Okay.
Alright, and
What's
here,
the top?
okay, here are the tent poles. We'll deal with that later. And
This looks like the top here.
we need to untie it and roll it out a little bit. Now apparently you just hold on. You just open
This
it
must
up.
be the middle.
This looks like, I think this is the top.
Okay, yeah, that's
So
right.
Let's open it.
So far, so good.
I'm paying you by the hour. It's only 45 seconds.
45 seconds.
Okay, so we
Well, this is looking good. Look.
spread it all out. Let's just spread this out too. So pull your, oh, I see something. It's come undone. I think this goes in here somehow. Sure. All right, here we go. Keep pulling it out.
Okay.
And after
From here,
this,
though, from here, right?
come around to this side. Come around to this side.
Okay. Yeah, I can see me doing this by myself. Right.
Let me get inside. Let me. It's inside out. Oh, it's inside out. So
Okay.
it's gotta go this way. That goes around. Now let's open it like this.
Can I flip it over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Move around
can
to
do
this
that.
side.
Am I going the right way?
Yeah. And then here's a handle,
Okay.
and we just pull this. Oh. Go around to this side here.
And we're doing this in hurricane force
I
winds.
Okay. I pull it off. Yeah, hold it down there. Hold it down.
Hold it down.
Up it goes.
Oh, wow, that's looking better.
Up it goes.
Okay.
Up it goes.
All right. Yeah, this is really easy.
Like wrestling an octopus.
Oh, Okay.
Now, if you see a handle, pull it.
I got a handle in my hand.
Pull it.
I'm pulling. But this got to come up from there. I don't think so.
Wait, I don't know. I mean, it does work.
But it's backwards. See where this is angled down there? That one down there needs to come out. It's way underneath. Like this needs to come out. If I hold this, we need to find the metal, don't we?
Yeah. This is the middle, but it's...
That's the handle you need to pull on then, right?
Yeah. But there's the handle at the top, and then one at the bottom.
It's coming. This is hooked over the... Yeah.
Keep working it. Spread those wings. Spread those wings, not a butterfly.
Butterfly, no, this butterfly's not getting off the ground.
Spread those,
Well, look at this. This is hooked over here.
oh,
And that's not good.
that's right.
Okay, that should help.
Ooh, guys, wow. It's all about how you put it back in.
Whoa!
Okay, that's
Okay.
good. I think so.
Ready? Here.
All right.
Oh, ho, ho.
Oh, oh. You turn it around.
Oops.
You spin it around again.
This way.
So it can see the hole
Okay.
and I'll let you fix the opening.
Okay.
So I got
So
it.
it's come around?
Yeah. I mean, it's really quite light.
Yeah. What do I do with the opening? That's got to come down. There.
Now,
Now what?
pull. You see this handle here?
Pull.
Pull that out.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And now the next one.
I gave it.
Oh, it's so much nicer having a helping hand.
I know. I can't picture me doing this alone. Okay. Okay. Hey.
I think we should.
It works.
I think we should come and take a bow.
Okay.
Lucy and Ethel.
Yes.
Ta-da! Butterflies. We can do it.